What do you love most about Richard?
The way he leads our family, like, you know, me and the other people that we consider family, yung direction na pinupuntahan niya sa buhay, gusto ko.
What do you love most about Maricar?
Well, maraming babae na maganda but very, complicated. Complicated kapag you get deeper, no? Siya naman, baliktad. Kung gaano siya kaganda, ganun siya kasimple. One of our pastors said, I couldn't forget it, sabi niya, kahit sino pwede mo pakasalan. So sabi ko, tama. O nga no, kung gusto mong i-work out agad, pwede. But, nung nag-asawa na kami, parang may complementing, although you're very different, pero nagko-complement. Kasi nga, if you're two the same, minsan you get irritated by the same things you have, di ba? Minsan kapag nainis ako, kasi sabihin ng tao, ininis ka, ganun din ugali mo, di ba ganun? So minsan yung compliment, now I realize, I'm more leaning on the other side. Merong taong nakalaan sa'yo.
You believe that, Maricar?
Oh, yeah.
That's beautiful.
I think so.
Merong taong nakalaan sa'yo.
Yeah.
At hindi mo yon makukuha kapag hindi mo nilet go yung mali.
Palagay niyo ba kung wala si Lord sa marriage ninyo?
Wasak.
Wala na. tagal na.
100% wasak.
1 year pa lang, Karen, wala.
Wala na. 100%.
Yeah.
Kaming dalawa, 100%. Wala.